and welcome to 1230 Grapevine Trl in Monroe, Georgia. This beautiful home is located on 5 acres in no HOA. Plenty of room for a boat, RV, or a business owner. If you're a gardener, you're gonna love the backyard. Terrace level, lots of landscaping, beautiful ponds, a sunroom, great patio and decks for entertaining. There's also a guest house, an outdoor shop with electricity, and a 3-car garage. This spacious master bedroom features a sitting area, double tray ceilings, and French doors leading to the bathroom with his and hers vanities. The gourmet kitchen features stained cabinets, tile backsplash, stainless appliances, a breakfast area, and a keeping room. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home. For more information, you can contact us at 1-866-NEW-HOME or always at soldbytheprinceGroup.com.